In this video, we test the pound sterling against the US dollar in the period from June 2024 to June 2025. The aim is to analyze and evaluate the trading performance of an expert advisor over this period. The automated trading system makes it possible to carry out a thorough test with little effort and without major financial investment. You can download a demo version and compare the results. It is possible to make a modest profit for almost every entry and trading year, but the risk must be carefully selected according to individual needs and expectations. The tests are time-consuming, but they are worthwhile, as people often have difficulty correctly assessing absolute and relative results. Trading currency pairs provides enough movement and liquidity, and no currency ever drops to zero, which creates a degree of certainty. It is important to know that these expert advisors can be tested by yourself by simply sending an email to the address provided on the website. The system is designed to be used on demo accounts or sent accounts after extensive testing. As there are no functional restrictions, users must use it responsibly and carefully. A major advantage of automated trading systems is the ability to backtest hundreds or even thousands of trades within a few minutes. You can try out different entry signals and find the best possible one for the current market conditions. It makes sense to test trading strategies in different settings and make adjustments if necessary to avoid unwanted drawdowns. In particular, you should be aware that a good strategy must also go through phases with losses in order to be profitable in the long term. Most traders prefer reliable execution and good broker service to favorable spreads and bonuses. In addition, practice shows that there are a large number of currency pairs with different volatilities. You should therefore develop a strategy that works robustly in different market phases, i.e., when prices are rising, falling, or moving sideways. Backtests can help to identify and improve weak points in a strategy. However, it is important to emphasize that trading always remains speculative and even experts cannot predict the future. The best approach is therefore to constantly test and adapt the system and adjust the risk to personal comfort zones. Trading with automated systems offers the advantage of minimizing emotional decisions and achieving constant discipline. At the same time, however, the use of such a system also requires an understanding that there is no guarantee of profit. Only with regular testing and careful implementation can you increase your chances of trading successfully in the long term.